So what's up everyone, how's it going? Today we're creating Chrome text effect in Adobe Photoshop. So to get started, we'll look our background layer, then create a new text, type what you want. I'll type blue for example, try to place it in the middle, then right click on your text layer and click on blending option. Next up, go to bevel and emboss, choose the bevel emboss style, choose the smooth technique, set the depth to 95%, set the direction to up, adjust the size to be 32 pixels, set the soften to 0 pixels, then in shading, set the angle to 90 degree, use the global light, adjust the attitude to be 0 degree, then in class contour, click on that drop button, choose this one, and take anti-aliased option, then in highlight mode, choose screen, set the color to white, and adjust the opacity to be 100%. Then go to inner glue. In structure, we adjust the blending mode to be screen. We set the opacity to 30%. Then in technique, we adjust it to softer and use the edge source. Then in quality, click that drop button and we choose this one. And we'll take the anti-aliased option and adjust the range to be 80%. Then click OK and create a new adjustment layer and choose curves. Then create another one and choose gradient map. In gradient map, click the gradient colors, change this to white, change this to black. Change the black location to be near the white, like this, and click OK. Then return to Curves tab and adjust the curve like me. So that's it for today's episode. Hope you found it interesting. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comments down below, and see you in the next one. Cheers!